Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're addressing a common question we receive. Can a regular tap and die set be used to install thread inserts? Let's dive in and clarify this for you. Question 1. Can a regular tap and die set be used to install thread inserts? We often hear from customers who want to purchase just the Time Sert inserts because they already have a tap and die set. However, it's crucial to understand that a tap and die set is not the same as a thread insert installation kit. Our response to them is, I know you're trying to save money, but how will you drill the correct size hole, counterbore for the lip of the insert, and how will you cold roll the bottom threads of the Time Sert insert if you don't have the proper installation driver? In short, a Time Sert kit is needed to install Time Sert inserts properly. Standard tap and die sets aren't suitable for installing Time Serts or helicoils because these inserts use special taps called STI taps. STI stands for screw thread inserts. STI taps have a different thread profile compared to regular taps. They are specifically designed to create threads that match the profile of the inserts, ensuring a proper fit and secure installation. Attempting to use a regular tap from a tap and die set would result in mismatched threads, which may cause the insert not to fit properly or even fail during use. To install Time Serts or helicoils correctly, it's important to use the appropriate STI tap designed for the specific insert you're using. This ensures that the threads in the material match the threads of the insert, providing a reliable and durable solution for repairing or reinforcing threaded holes. Question 2. What makes the Time Sert kit so different than other competitive brands of thread repair kits? In short, Time Sert is made in the USA and is unique in how the bottom threads are expanded by using the installation driver. The installation driver cold rolls the bottom threads while expanding and holding the insert in from the bottom. No other thread repair kit implements this method to secure their insert. The installation driver looks like another type of tap, and it threads in, unlike some other brands that use a hammer to expand the insert. We have an article on other differences between Time Sert and a well-known brand that is widely used, but not fully understood. Check out 10 differences between Time Sert and helicoil on our auto repair blog for more information. Question 3. Can I use a thread repair kit on different materials? Time Sert kits work on steel, aluminum, and cast iron. Just make sure you have enough material to work with. Choose the right kit and insert length using as many threads as you can. For blind holes, leave about a 1/4 inch or 6.3 millimeters of space below the insert. Question 4. What is a blind hole? A blind hole is a hole that doesn't go all the way through the material. It's called a blind hole because you can't see through it to the other side of the material. We have an article that covers this in more detail. Check out blind holes on our auto repair blog. Conclusion. At Wise Auto Tools, our commitment over the years has been to provide informative car repair blog articles and thread repair kits to help you complete your repairs. We also sell all types of mechanics tools. Remember to save our website as a favorite and consider us for your upcoming automotive tool needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tool reviews.